So we're back at Lake Annecy again. We've come down from Les Arcs and we're passing through on our way up to Morzine. We've obviously been to Annecy before, but never to this end. So we're at the far end. It's called Sourcelac rather than the town end. So this end is all about leisure, sport, camping, lots of water sports. So we're going to go stand-up paddleboarding. So Annie's right here, and this is where we are. So this place here, just by the tourist office in Dussart, has everything you can think of. So they've got sailboats and paddleboards and pedalos and catamarans, and
there's everything.
There's kayaks and all kinds of things. They've literally got everything you can think of. And then if we just step forward and look right up there, oh, and up there, and you see the paragliders coming off the top of the mountain over the top of the lake. Pretty cool.
Yeah, stand-up paddleboarding. I've tried it once at Nick's Lake Race Hub in Mountain Mowbray at Six Hills. I've tried it there and was terrible at it. And I thought, I don't know how this is going to go, but I mean, helps. The weather's pretty damn good here. Yeah, so I've been standing up, as you would hope on a stand-up paddleboard. It's quite difficult against the waves that keep coming in because obviously there's lots of boats and other bits going on, so that's quite difficult, but yeah, it's really good. Nice thing is I can get up and down quite easily, so if I find that there's something it's quite hard to navigate around, I can get down to my knees and then paddle myself along. But yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I could quite happily just sit and just chill on my paddleboard. But yeah, you can't, I mean, this is crazy good. How are you finding it, Brooks?
I'm having a lovely time. Okay, decided the weather's too good to stand on the paddleboard, so we're going to go in. We nearly went in early. Annie, going to go in as well?
I might do it.
That was so close. That was so close.
I'm so not working yours on purpose.
Wagging mine on purpose. Right, that's it. She knocked me off.
Oh, there's a little pontoon. You can go on there and then have a little dive in. Was that good?